fucking virtual land. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about spirituality from a scientific perspective. Now, when I say scientific perspective, I'm saying that we need to look at this from more of an earth science perspective. Because to understand spirituality, oneness with God or the all or the Most High, whatever you want to call it, I prefer Creator myself, just because that's what it did. It created shit, right? Well, anyway, I'm starting to realize there's actually, just like the Buddhists say, spiritual levels to this shit. But you got to look at it again from a very basic little kid earth science perspective. We're down here, we're rock, we're solid, or in better terminology, we are ice. Now, during our solid state, we're battling duality, good and evil, yin and yang, shit like that. Our goal to make it become more spiritual is actually probably to become more like water. We gotta become more go with the flow. Just let the shit roll off. In the world right now, you don't see that. You see these social justice warriors on one hand fucking making a problem out of nothing. Making a problem out of any little fucking thing. And then you got all kinds of other activists going completely the other way, going totally fanatic. Yeah, you got racist fanatics, religious fanatics, blah blah blah. Okay. Now, we gotta stop being fanatical and offended by so much shit if we're gonna reach our fluid level. We gotta become a fluid. This way, because only through fluid can you reach the light. All y'all motherfuckers think, oh, we need to reach the light, we need to reach the light. Well, how are you going to do that? Like I said, we're ice. We got to melt. We got to become more liquid, like water. What does water do after that? It evaporates. Turns to gas. Well, so, you know, I don't know the steps after water. I'm obviously solid here in the same state you are, so I can't tell you what happens to become water to gas, but I know that we need to become water. Now, once you flip from gas, this is where earth, air, fire, water comes in. You gotta have that gas get lit on fire so you can become light, like a star, like all y'all people out there thinking, oh yes, he just taught us this path to spiritual enlightenment. Well, kind of, but y'all are still off by a step. See, true path to spiritual enlightenment is not becoming one with the light. It's becoming one with the dark. Now, you're sitting here thinking, oh my God, this motherfucker's evil. He's preaching Satanism. No. I'm telling you how to become one with the all, with God. Now, in the ancient schools of Plato, and Tesla actually believed in this theory, even though Albert Einstein tried to tell him he was wrong, which we're finding out more and more that Albert Einstein was wrong. Depends on how you want to look at it. Either way, Tesla, ancient Hindus, Buddhists, even ancient Plato agreed. Talked about the ether. Now, what is the ether? The ether is the blackness that you see when you look out at the stars. It's the infinite. Light travels on the ether. This is where you can look light traveling on the ether, experiments up, find out Tesla was right and Albert Einstein was wrong on this point. Just in case, you wanted to know about that. But anyway, this ether is almost like another liquid, we'll say. It's spiritual power, some have defined it as. Nobody knows what it really is, but we know it's there. I call it the blackness out there in the stars, or the spider web that holds everything together. So we actually gotta burn out, just like stars eventually burn out and become nothing. Okay? Put yourself on a number scale real quick. Put 0 in the middle of your number scale, plus 1 over here, negative 1 over here. As many infinite numbers as you want to go. Because the all is infinite, but yet it's finite. It's the end. You have to become complete darkness, complete blackness, no more light. You have to cease to exist to be in heaven, to be enlightened, to be one with God, to be one with the all. Well, I don't know, I guess that about sums it up, what I had to say. Maybe some of y'all will figure it out. Maybe some of y'all are lost. And, you know, if you have an intelligent mind, though, you'll be able to figure out what the fuck I'm saying. And you can disagree with me. I don't care. Like,